Hey guys, I hope you're having a nice holiday season. My name is Lena and today we're going to do a little unboxing and bag review. And the bag I want to share with you today will be from the latest JACQUEMUS drop, Le Bambino Long. There are not so many reviews on this one online because it's just got launched a few weeks ago. They made this 24 by 24 pop-up store that was operating like a vending machine. Really cool idea, by the way, to present this new pink collection with this new long Bambina bag included. In pink, obviously, but later it appeared on the original website in 9 different colors. For me, JACQUEMUS always will be having this South of France summer vibes, and I knew I want some summer white bag from them, but I wasn't sure which one till the very last moment because I felt like the Chiquita ones are too mainstream. I also like these straw totes, but they didn't have it available in the green color, but I prefer more through all of them. I thought maybe getting the nude one with this twisted brown handle, or my favorite was the obviously Grand Bambina, but the Grand Bambina in white is just not possible to get. It's sold out everywhere and I only managed to find it secondhand and extra overpriced. But then new drop happened and here we are. So I hope this video will help someone who wanted the Grand Bambina, but since it's not available, maybe you will decide to get this one. So let's start. I ordered through the original website and the bag was at my doorstep in only 4 days, which I think is impressive considering they had to ship it from France to the US and we in the middle of holiday season. To be quite frank, I was a little bit disappointed with the packaging though. I didn't expect much, but for $800 bag, I thought there would be some kind of nice box inside or at least some paper wrapping. It came in this beaten up dirty box and the dust bag were just laying in it like that. Not a big deal, yeah, but when you buy something like a designer bag, unwrapping and unpackaging is kind of a part of the experience. But anyway, you still get what you actually paid for, the bag, so I'm not insist that I'm right about my personal feelings, but here opinions may vary. So inside the bag you will find a JACQUEMUS tag, some papers like receipt, prepaid return slip, and some other return policy info, postcard, and this thank you note in French that says merci, which is adorable in my opinion. Also, the postcard will be having different pictures based on the collection. With this one, I've got one of the Camille Solat, and I'm sorry if I pronounced surname wrong because I didn't find the right pronunciation online. So it's Camille Solat digital illustration, and I actually discovered her through this postcard as an artist, and she has quite a few interesting projects, by the way. And inside the dust bag, here she is, the JACQUEMUS Le Bambino Long in white. I also wanted to mention the dust bag situation because it looks like this, and as you can see the bag lying on one side in this dust bag. On the tag, manufacturer recommends to keep the purse in the dust bag when you're not wearing it, and since it's white I was planning to do that, but since it's too small I can't keep the bag standing like this. So I'm probably supposed to put it on one side, which is weird, or like this, which is also not super aesthetically pleasing because the JACQUEMUS logo on the dust bag. Also not a deal breaker, and I don't want it to sound petty, but I don't quite understand the idea of this side-loaded dust bag instead of the regular top-loaded one, but maybe it's just me. So let's finally talk about the bag itself because the bag is gorgeous. I like that it's pretty minimalistic. Put away this JACQUEMUS logo on the front and you can easily think of some other designer that could make this bag. And also because of the simplicity of the design, it doesn't tie up to the specific year or a decade or specific time. What actually happened a lot with a lot of recent trendy pieces. Life circle of trends is extremely short these days, and if everybody on Instagram wearing it, is probably already too late to hop on this trend. And on the other hand, this one, I easily can see myself wearing this bag in 5 or 10 years without a doubt. It's just simple, elegant, and truly timeless design. And comparing this bag to Le Bambino, this one should be pretty much the same size but a little bit longer, which is obvious because it's called Long Bambino. So let's check what actually can fit inside. So this bag can easily fit my phone, which is actually not all of my bags can do. Card holder, little mirror, and by the way, I forgot to mention the AirPods, but I usually take them too. And the keys, and that's basically all the thing that I'm usually carrying around with me. So I can say this one is pretty spacious for a small handbag. The next thing that I really like about this bag is the construction of the bottom part. The edges are sticking out, and it's typical for a lot of JACQUEMUS bags, not just for this one. And it basically means that when you're going to put this bag on a table or a floor, the bottom of the bag itself won't contact this surface, which is drastically minimize the wear out, which is great, especially if you have it in white or some other super light color. There are a few different styling options for this bag. For example, first, the most obvious one, you can wear it on the shoulder, and the strap is pretty long, so you can wear it even over a blazer or a thick sweater. And though the strap is not adjustable itself, you easily can put it inside the bag. So you can wear it as a clutch or use these metal hoops to fasten some other strap, maybe the chain or longer crossbody one. I've just got the bag last Friday, so I didn't have a chance to pick up the right crossbody strap for this one. So now I'm gonna use this one that I bought for my nylon Prada bag, just to give an idea. So you can see that this bag can look nice with a long strap as well. And I'm just gonna need to find the right strap, and I'm gonna wear it crossbody for sure. Probably something in the same white color leather or maybe some metal chain. So I'm really glad I chose this one. I'm going to wear this a lot, and follow my Instagram to not miss it out. And I really hope this video was helpful. Definitely let me know in the comments what do you think about this new drop and what bag from JACQUEMUS you would like to have. And anyway guys, I hope you'll have an amazing week, and I will see you in the next one.
I said beat me up, I'm on fire, I'm on my grind, cause that's all we know, beat me up, I'm getting higher, I'm on mine, got me singing oh.